You came from a job before this, and many people watching probably also. That's stable, income stable. You brought up insurance. That's a good point. Insurance is stable. They're getting the paycheck every week or every 2 weeks, whatever it is. Our career is different, right?
Yeah, exactly.
It's different in a way that it could go bad and it can go very, very, very good. What's your thoughts on somebody coming in asking themselves that question, that if I don't do well, I'm down? But there's a possibility I can make tons of money. What do you recommend there?
You know what? They have to be prepared. They have to go into this with their eyes open. I tell my students, when you go into real estate, give yourself time to be great. You have to. You know, you don't come in here. Some people do, okay? But you have to give yourself time to be great. You have to be able to do that. One of the things about real estate, when I first started, this was the funny part. I spent a lot of money in the very beginning. You pay for classes, then then you pay for the test. When you pass the test, great, right? Then you join a brokerage, and then now you have to join the associations. So at one point, my husband called me and he says, we're in this to make money, right?
That's funny.
And I said, yeah.
Smart husband.
And so he says, at what point? And I said, give me time, just give me time. So the thing is that but these are the tools that you need to be able to do what you need to do.
Well, you're investing in yourself, right?
Exactly.
You want to be the best version of yourself, and that might cost you. It's an investment. How has that investment paid off for you? And the question really is, you can make a lot of money, right?
You can go world domination. I mean, I know a lot of agents who've made a ton of money. And there are some who just says, you know what, this is what I want to make. This is comfortable for me, because it's not so much that they don't want to make a ton of money, but their priorities are different. Money is there, but the money is there to utilize for other things. Right. So there are people like that. And there are those who just wants just enough. I have one student, all she wanted to do was to be able to have enough money to put her kids through private school. Okay. The thing is this, she didn't realize how much money she was getting. Now they have private school. They have nicer vacation. Guess what? Husband's starting to jump into it too now.
Wow.
Yeah. So they're both doing it as a partner. So it became
it changes your life.
Yeah.
You know, again, if you invest in yourself and take it serious, it changes your life.
Yeah.
Did it change yours?
It did. It did. It's really good. One of the things, real estate has been really good for me. And good to me, it's been good to my family. My main goal for doing this is for family. And it has. But not only, like I said, it did not only just help my family, but it also helped my circle of friends and even people I've never met.
Right.
I know people who was on the brink of losing their home. They still have their home.
Nice.
You know, I have people who never thought that they would be able to be homeowners, that they were lifers for rent.
Right.
And then, especially like in San Francisco, right? And guess what? They are homeowners, you know? So,
and you had a big part in that.
I would like to think I was part of that journey.
Sure.
I was able to help them in that, or at least guide them in that direction.
Right.
You know, and we got them their home. Yeah.
Yeah. What do you do when business slows down, though? How can somebody sustain, their lifestyle if business does slow down? And
it does. I'd be lying if I said, "Oh, it's always great." No. It's up and down. You have to plan for it. You know. When the business is good, it's really good. Income is really high. Temper yourself, figure out what you need. I believe in the envelope system. I grew up with the envelope system. I taught the envelope system to my kids. You have the envelope, you have percentages of what you make goes into these different envelopes. And so you know what you make, what you need in a month. So no matter how big or how little, you're always drawing the same thing.
That's the finance person coming out of you. Geez, you
you
got to file every little penny away.
Exactly.
Nothing wrong with that.
But you know what? When the market was down, I did still have money to pull out. It's very tempting to live every paycheck the way it is.
Yeah.
Live high when the paychecks are high, low when it's not. But you need to be able to have that stable part of it.
Right.